What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's in depth review of the Tecno Pova Neo 3. We are going to delve deep into the smartphone's capabilities and features. Now, you might have heard that it's not a massive upgrade from last year's Tecno Pova Neo 2, with the main difference being an increase in RAM. But there's more to the story than meets the eye. With the recent launch of the Tecno Pova 5 and the Tecno Pova 5 Pro, Tecno seems to be offering budget conscious gamers a solid alternative. So today, we are going to take a comprehensive look at this phone's gaming performance, camera prowess, and overall value for your money. Now let's dive into the gaming experience with the Tecno Pova Neo 3 because let's be honest, that's what many of you are here for. This phone comes powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, and it's paired with a generous 8 GB of RAM and a whopping 128 GB of internal storage. If you're a mobile gaming enthusiast, these specs should pique your interest. One of the highlights here is the phone's gaming prowess. We tested it extensively with some of the most demanding mobile titles out there, including PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, Firelight, and Free Fire. What we found was impressive, to say the least. Thanks to the Helio G85 and ample RAM, these games ran like a dream. Even during marathon gaming sessions, we didn't encounter any significant lag or annoying frame drops. It's a testament to the phone's power and optimization. But it's not just about the internal hardware. The Tecno Pova Neo 3 also boasts a massive 7000 mAh battery. This translates to extended gaming sessions without constantly worrying about plugging in. Whether you're surviving the battlegrounds in PUBG Mobile or engaging in intense multiplayer firefights in Call of Duty Mobile, this battery life will keep you going. It's a game changer for those who love to game on the go. Now, let's talk about the display. While the phone features a 90Hz refresh rate display, it's complemented by a responsive 120Hz touch sampling rate. This means that even though the screen itself has a 90Hz refresh rate, the touch input feels incredibly snappy and responsive. It's a subtle but important detail for gamers, ensuring that every touch and swipe registers swiftly, enhancing the overall gaming experience. So while the display isn't the highest refresh rate on the market, the clever touch sampling rate keeps gaming a breeze. Additionally, the Tecno Pova Neo 3 comes equipped with a game mode that optimizes performance and minimizes distractions during gaming sessions. This is a thoughtful inclusion for serious gamers who want that extra edge in the competitions. In summary, the Tecno Pova Neo 3 has proven itself as a capable gaming companion with robust internal hardware, an astonishing large battery display, and thoughtful features like the responsive touch sampling rate and game mode. It's designed to cater to gamers' needs, whether you're a casual mobile gamer or a competitive esports enthusiast. This phone has the muscle to keep up with your gaming demands. So if you're in the market for an affordable gaming smartphone that won't break the bank, the Tecno Pova Neo 3 is certainly worth considering. Let's move on to the camera performance and see if it can impress us in that department as well. Now, shifting our focus to the camera department, we understand that this is an entry level phone, so we won't get bogged down by technical jargons. The Tecno Pova Neo 3 is equipped with a 16 megapixels rear camera, and for its price range, it does a commendable job. We put it through its paces, capturing photos in various conditions from well lit environments to dimly lit evenings. Whether it's capturing intricate details on your dinner plate or preserving memories during nighttime escapades, this phone delivers. Just a word of advice: it's best to steer clear of the AI mode for the most natural looking shots. When it comes to video recording, the Tecno Pova Neo 3 performs decently. However, Be prepared for some shaky footage if you do not have a stabilization set up. Whether you're recording in 2K or 1080p, there's not a significant difference in video quality. Now, for all of you budding vloggers and selfie enthusiasts out there, the front facing camera on this phone boasts 8 megapixels. It's a champ, especially when you've got good lighting conditions. We put it to the test in various settings, from controlled artificial lighting setups to the brightness of natural daylight and even the challenges of evening lighting. The front camera rises to the occasion consistently, delivering quality results. Even when recording videos using the front camera, it adapts admirably to varying lighting conditions. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about a few additional insights and my personal experience with the Tecno Pova Neo 3. During my time with this phone, I couldn't help but notice how comfortable it feels in hand. Its ergonomics are on point, making it ideal for long gaming sessions. The phone's UI is clean and responsive, and I appreciate the thoughtful inclusion of the dedicated gaming mode that optimizes performance and minimizes distractions. Plus, the inclusions of the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. It's a nice touch for those of us who prefer wired audio. One notable feature that's worth mentioning in the device's ability to handle multitasking. Thanks to the ample RAM and decent processor, juggling between apps and tasks felt smooth, and I didn't experience any significant slowdowns. As with any device, there are a few minor quirks to consider. While the phone's rear camera performs admirably in good lighting conditions, it may struggle a bit in low light scenarios. It's a trade off to keep in mind. Additionally, the lack of built in image stabilization means that you might want to invest in a gimbal or tripod for a smoother video recording. Ultimately, whether the Tecno Pova Neo 3 is the right fit for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're primarily seeking an affordable gaming phone with decent photography capabilities, this phone certainly ticks those boxes. It's a budget friendly option that provides solid performance and a generous battery, making it suitable choice for gamers on a budget. Once again, if you want to own this phone and qualify for this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and answer these questions. First, what I was annoyed about that I mentioned during my Tecno Pova Neo 3 unboxing and hands-on video. Second, in this video, what did I ask you to avoid when taking photos? Send your answers to my Instagram account and along with your answer, include your YouTube name. As we wrap up this extensive review of the Tecno Pova Neo 3, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Do you think this smartphone is a worthy contender in the budget gaming phone market? Are there specific features or aspects you'd like to know more about? Feel free to drop your questions and comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tech insights. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy gaming and shooting.